Upbeat music playing. Welcome back, Buy Smart family. Today, we've got two titans of the 3D printing world facing off. On the left, we've got the ELEGOO Mars 4, and on the right, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2. Let's see which one will make you the next Michelangelo of miniatures. Ready, set, print? First up, let's talk about the almighty dollar. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is going to set you back $309. Not bad if you're looking to impress your friends with your new 9K printer. But if you're on a tighter budget, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 comes in at a more wallet-friendly $239. So if you want to save some cash for, I don't know, actual resin, ANYCUBIC's got your back. All right, screen time. ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8,520 by 4,320. That's like having the eyes of an eagle on steroids. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 sports a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen at 4,096 by 2,560 resolution. Think of it as the difference between an IMAX theater and that old tube TV in your grandma's basement. Next, let's shed some light on the light sources. ELEGOO's got a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, making your prints look as detailed as a Mona Lisa selfie. ANYCUBIC counters with its upgraded light turbo matrix, which sounds like it should be in a sci-fi movie. This light turbo matrix provides stable, uniform light, eliminating those pesky grid lines. So it's like choosing between a spotlight and a lightsaber. Both cool but different vibes. Now, let's talk about the build plate. ELEGOO Mars 4 has an upgraded laser-carved build plate for stronger adhesion. It's like the printer saying, "You shall not pass," to any print failures. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 isn't slacking either with its laser-engraved platform, increasing model adhesion and boosting that success rate. It's like the sticky note of your dreams, never falling off. What about the brains behind the brawn? ELEGOO Mars 4 comes with the VoxelDance Tango slicing software, offering 3 printing modes and a 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview. It's like having a mini dance party every time you print. On the flip side, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 uses Photon Workshop 3.0, which has a new UI that's easier to operate, making it as user-friendly as a toaster. But like a really high-tech toaster. And finally, the after-sales service. ELEGOO provides a 1-year warranty, excluding the 9K LCD PFA film and toolkit. They promise to reply within 24 hours, which is faster than my pizza delivery. ANYCUBIC doesn't specify, but their reputation for customer support is pretty solid. So it's like choosing between a dedicated butler and a reliable friend. Both are great, but one might be a bit fancier. Reviewers praise the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high-quality prints and advanced features, although some find the instruction manual lacking. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is celebrated for its ease of use, affordability, and robust customer support. Both printers have their strengths, making them solid choices depending on your needs. Upbeat music playing, so there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 and the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 duking it out in the 3D printing arena. ELEGOO has that high-res screen and fancy light source, while ANYCUBIC offers a budget-friendly, smooth operator experience. Which one will you go for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing smart and stay awesome. And remember, if your print fails, just call it abstract art and sell it for millions. Product links are in the description.